If you stop to actually think about
all living things that have a life,
reproduce despite elemental challenge. If you stop to actually think about it, things keep going, things keep making themselves, things keep going, things keep making themselves. No matter what we do, we're replicating nature, replicating